Hi everybody, I am Harold Amaya. I am from Bogota, Colombia. I am a worker. I am 49 years old. I study safety and health at work at the UNAT University. In the last Christmas, we were meet with my wife's family. We sit around the Christmas tree to talk about many things, while seeing familiar videos. We ate roast chicken and drink some cocktails. We were meet many hours. And now let's learn to receive from my region. Let's go to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. The changua is a dish from Colombian gastronomy, more exactly from the Cundinamarca and Bogota region, despite the fact that its origin is rated mestizo. Let's start with the ingredients for 2 servings. We will need 1 cup of water, 2 cups for milk, some toast, 1 branch of onion, long onion. We will need 2 coriander spring. We will need cheese for 2 servings. We will need 2 eggs, oil or butter too with taste, 1 clove of garlic, salt and pepper with taste. Preparing the changua is very easy. The first, we use oil. We taste the garlic. Now we add the water in the pot. We add the long onion. We add the coriander spring. And let's to cook. We let's reserve chopped coriander to add the end. When it boils, we add the milk. And let it boil again. And now we add the eggs one by one, but carefully. It needs a few minutes to cook. Now it boiled for many minutes. Now we take out the coriander and the onion. Okay, the changua is ready, and we add salt, we taste, and we add the pepper. Good. It's ready. Now, let's to serve it. And we add the other ingredients. The toast, we add the cheese, chop it, and we add coriander chopped. Good. I invite you to my city to eat changua, to enjoy changua. Very good. Thank you.